In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test your Shopify store in 1 minute. First, open your Shopify admin. From the home view, head to the Apps section. In the App search field, type Instant A/B Testing. This will surface tools designed to help you experiment quickly. In the results, apply the Built for Shopify filter so you're focusing on trusted, well-integrated options. Now scan the results and open the listing for Shogun, A/B testing. On the app page, click Install. Approve the installation prompts, then choose Select a plan to activate the app. Pick the plan that fits your needs so you can start testing right away. Once you're in the app, look for the Test Ideas area to get inspiration. When you're ready, click Start a Test. You may see that button in multiple places across the app interface. That's fine. Wherever you see Start a Test, click it to launch the setup flow. Next, choose a page to test. Use the picker to select the product, collection, or page you want to optimize. If you're unsure, start with a high-traffic product page so you'll reach results faster. After selecting the page, confirm your choice to move to the goal setup. Now, set your test goal. Click Test Goal and select the primary metric you want to improve. This could be conversions, add to cart rate, or another meaningful outcome that aligns with your objective. Choosing a single clear goal helps the app determine a winner confidently. If you land on the goal panel more than once, that's okay. Review that the correct metric is selected and continue. If this is your very first test, you might see an empty state card that says you haven't started your first test yet. Click it. It's simply a shortcut into the same setup flow. Continue by confirming the page and goal as described. When everything looks good, click Save. That locks in your configuration and gets your test ready to run. The app will handle the traffic split and tracking behind the scenes, so you don't have to touch code or theme files. A couple of quick tips to keep you on track without adding extra steps. Keep your variations focused on one meaningful change so you can attribute results clearly, and give the test enough time to collect data, ideally until you see a strong, stable difference. Also, keep an eye on the app's analytics once the test is live. That's where you'll see which version is performing better. And that's it. You've installed Shogun. A/B testing, chosen a plan, launched the test flow, selected your page, set your goal, and saved everything you need to A/B test your shop.